Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yo.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
let's get it.
Man, where everybody at, man? I hope anybody getting clapped and shit, man.
Yeah, everybody went and goes today.
Right. Damn. Yo, you see that little push just now? God damn.
Yeah, they got me on that. On that.
Oh, you were short?
Yeah, because
Damn.
see right here at the high, it looked like we grabbed some liquidity and we made a little low, but it was a fake out. Well, it was a fake out within the fake out.
I mean, you see what a real liquidity is, though.
Was that now?
I said, do you see what the real liquidity is?
The high?
Yeah, that's the.
Yep.
I mean, personally, if I was to go short, I'm waiting for that.
Yeah.
That's me though. But yes,
No,
sir. Let's get it.
absolutely, absolutely. And I did see that. I'm like, huh, it looks like we might push up with there. And then I just kind of FOMO. I guess I kind of FOMOed on that. I should have waited for that.
There you go. As long as you can see it yourself, then and hear it, and as long as you know what you did and all that, then at the end of the day, it should be straight.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All we got to do is be patient.
That's right.
And if I was gonna be long, I'm long up until that liquidity, and bang, they just hit it. Boom.
I'm watching a Thursday high as well. Looks like we're getting
Order
close to it.
submitted.
So now ES has taken out their previous day's high, or they're about to. So yeah, here you go. Woof, look at that. Algos are on fire.
Let's go. Let's go. We getting close as well on this one too.
Order filled.
Sheesh.
Yeah, we blasted through. Getting close to Thursday's high. Just a hair away.
You man,
Hey,
look at that. They just so check it out. ES has moved over 100 points. Hey, let me hold on one second. Yeah, no, I was saying ES has moved 100 points. Yeah, so yeah, on Friday ES moved 119. Today
yeah.
they moved 104, so that's pretty close. They're also at previous day's high right now. NQ, if I look at NQ, they moved 449 on Friday. Today they've moved 458, around the same amount. They're also about 30 points above their previous day's high, which is called the same number because NQ moves in such a massive range that like any 10 to 20 point range can call it the same thing. So right here, this is when like I was told in the past, hey, it's 10 o'clock, even though it's early in the day, the market has moved their range. Come back tomorrow. That's what I've been told. But again, that's not what you don't have to, but that's just one approach.
Yes,
But
sir.
you know what I'm saying? But we still out here trying to get this cash. So yes, sir.
Yeah, I was thinking it's might get choppy from here. You know what I mean?
Yep. But that's how it be.
You calling early today?
No, I'm still gonna be trading. I haven't touched any of my Apex PAs, so I'm just I'm gonna get a day in on those, and then yeah, that's I'm just doing.
I'm waiting for that previous day. I think that might be a good zone to potentially retrace a little bit. We're just a few hairs away from it too.
Yeah. So yeah, now we've moved the range, so we gonna see what they're talking about. Yeah. I got so much shit I gotta do in the next 2 days. I got my haircut at 2. I got what else? Yeah, I got a bunch of things.
Got busy day.
Yeah, busy day. Busy day. Busy day for sure. For sure. Yeah. Busy day. Sir. Yes, sir. And what I typically do is for when I'm gonna be packing, I put together a list of everything I need, just because like I don't know, I'm just so accustomed to making lists. You know what I'm saying? Just to ensure that I don't leave anything at the crib that I know I'm gonna need. Like, because I don't got a whip, but I got an easy pass. So I'm gonna be renting something down there. So bring my easy pass. You know what I'm saying? Little shit just to make sure. Bring my laptop for traveling.
Order
That has
submitted.
my good specs on it. Huh?
What's an easy pass?
Oh, y'all probably don't got that in y'all area. Oh damn, my algo just took it long. The target field. Easy pass is basically like when you're going through like the y'all have tolls in Kansas, like when you go on the when you're on the
Oh,
highway.
okay. I think I
So
see what you're talking about.
yeah,
So
so they can
scroll right through.
yeah, so you can, so instead of having to stop. Well, so in Boston and in a lot of places, we used to have actual employees working on the highway, like collecting the dollars or coins when you go through like certain interstates, right? Certain highways. But then I know a couple years ago, like more than 5 years ago, 10 years ago, they got rid of that because they're trying to like, good technology got better. Now like they have things that can scan your license plate and then they can send you a bill, right? So what I've done is instead of them doing that, because it costs a little bit more per like pass through, you just get an easy pass and then you just load it. You load it with dollars. So every time you go through, they take some of the dollars off your easy pass
Oh,
little
okay.
gadget thing. So, but there's an app for it where you can, if you're in another car, you can register another car to that easy pass, and then it can do it like that.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, because with Enterprise, what happens is if you don't have your own Easy Pass, you can use their Easy Pass, but they charge you $10 per day to use it, plus the toll fees. So if I'm gonna be going through the tolls 5 days, they're gonna charge me $10 per day to use it. That's $50 plus how much ever the tolls are. So,
Wait,
one day it'll be $10 plus say I use $6 worth of tolls. Then another day $10 plus whatever amount of tolls. Why do that when I can just pay the toll fee through my Easy Pass and save like $50? And if I'm gonna spend the 50 anyway, I'd rather just spend the 50 now on some dinner or spend the 50 at the park. Or, you know what I'm saying?
hell yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, that's
So
smart.
yeah, bro. That's how I see it. That's how I'm coming.
Are you gonna be on the chart those days?
Hmm?
Are you gonna be on the charts those days? Probably not. You know.
Well, I'll probably take trade just like one or two trades on the phone, like
Straight
because
up.
I know we're gonna be going on the days that we're going to the park. No charts for me at all, because we're gonna
Yeah.
be leaving. We're gonna be leaving mad early. We want to get to the park. Like we want to be like one of the first people at the park at the gates, just to get in. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to maximize this trip. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You,
So
you,
that's what we're gonna do.
you're gonna feel like something's missing those days. Like, damn. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like when you're gonna do your normal routine and
yeah, about the
place.
routine, yeah. But I won't really care about the charts too much, just because like yeah. Mm, I don't know.
Have you,
I'll have to. I will see, because I've taken a vacation and not looked at charts for most of the day. Not Can't say that I didn't look at it at all. You know what I'm saying? but but
but
yeah,
you did a
it
good
should be
job
cool.
keeping your mind clear.
Yeah. Because you don't want to. Because at the end of the day, like I'm not trying to be like, even if I have a good day on the charts, I don't want to even be thinking about it. I want to be focused on like just making sure everyone around me is having fun, and you know what I'm saying. Like I don't even want to be, and say I do some dumb shit. I don't want to be thinking about that all day. You know
Oh
what I'm
yeah.
saying? Like that's the worst. Like damn, I did some dumb shit. While I did some dumb shit in Florida when I should have not done anything. You know what I'm saying? Like that's just dumb,
Yeah. True.
stupid shit. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, bro. But I definitely can't wait, man.
Hell yeah.
I cannot wait. It should be fun. Should be fun. I've kept my expenses super low this year, which is really cool. Like, last year I would get payouts and then do dumb shit, get payouts, do dumb shit, get payouts, do dumb shit, then do dumb shit for a little bit, and then, but I'm good now. And I got robbed by some firms, or by a
Yeah.
firm, Fucking stupid Lilu.
That's fuck, yo.
Yeah. That was a good 30. But again, that was they were just buttoned on. It was just replicating. So I was able to capitalize on the decisions with other firms. Huh?
They never gave you a straight answer, huh?
Nope. They just closed my. They took away my accounts, and they closed down my login. So I went to log in, and I couldn't even log in. It was like contact administrator.
Did you ever leave a bad review on Trustpilot?
No, I left a bunch of reviews of the places, and I tell people all the time in Discords and shit. But other people have already experienced the same thing. So which is why we're trying to understand, like, how are they even still in business? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. 22,200 on the way. By the way, did you roll contracts or not?
I did this morning.
Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, because the volume took over. NQ ES was lagging a little bit, but yeah.
Oh, we're about to touch that previous high.
Say it again. They're about to what?
We're about to touch that previous high on MNQ.
Where previous high when?
For Thursday.
Oh. Let me see. Thursday's high? What was Thursday's high? Thursday's high was 22. Oh yeah, that's that 22,000 level right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're almost there. Almost there. Yep. Yeah, I got this one.
Order filled.
I got this one. Oof. There they go. That's a target filled. Okay. Yeah. I'm just trying to see what's good. Man, they just busting up, man. There's no fucks given today.
Nah.
Yep.
I was thinking of taking a sell here, kind of waiting to see what it does if it starts rejecting, but shoot.
Oh, you be trying to catch tops.
Well, I was gonna say today's not. It looks like today's not the day for that. I might just not even trade today.
Today is not the day for that catching top shit. No, wait. I'm. You know what? I'm gonna tell you something right now.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, bro. I guarantee you, bro. There is somebody trying to short this shit. They've been shorting.
Account's gone.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Bro, NQ has moved now 465. We got previous week's high at 22,310. So that's just something to note. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this shit's mad bullish. Mad bullish.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll have like baby pullbacks and then just rip again and rip again.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got some. Hold on 1 second. Coolness. Okay, I was cleaning up this fur. Yeah. What was that song?
What up?
Hold on. Let me just move her. Okay. Yeah, no, I was saying yeah, so these pullbacks, man. These. Oh no, my fault. The market is just, bro. This market is ripping, bro. I literally just lost my train of thought. This market is going.
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit is different.
Yeah, we might keep on pushing, even though that'd be a good rejection area. I think I might just hold off. That way I don't get wrecked.
Yeah, cause man, the market can just keep going.
Right.
They're at 470 now. Oh, let me get some stocks. Actually, let me get some stocks. Yeah, make sure to do all my laundry before. Yeah, make sure to do all my laundry before we leave and shit like that. I want to come back to a clean crib. Yeah. Where is? Oh, all right, it's not there. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, market did they thing, man. Hmm. Hmm. I'm wondering what this shit's gonna do now. Yeah, I got 9 emails. What you got going on today, by the way?
I got court at 1, and I'm chilling till 3.
Hey, now I hope the court goes That was better than expected for sure.
Thank you, man. It should be smooth. It's usually the first time where they're like, "Oh, you got a lawyer, or whatever," and then
Yeah.
they'll hit another one.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Man, I woke up on time today. Last week, I guess I just kept sleeping till them alarms, yo.
Yeah, nah, yeah, bro. It's hard to always get up from, but I did it.
I'm usually pretty good at waking up, but man, but I'm glad I'm like I still got like a little bit, but it's basically gone. Man, that thing
Yeah.
lasted for a minute.
Yeah.
Ooh,
What's
was like
happening?
wanting to rip now.
Market still busting?
Yeah, we're teasing that breakout.
Mm-hmm. It's cleaning my vacuum, bro. So much. Oh shit.
New highs.
New hot pushing? Yeah. Damn. Mm. All right. Oof. Where is going? Okay. Trying to get busy. Full port short.
What's
Yeah,
the thing with uh? It can't. This position can only be closed by administrator. Or what is
right.
it? Oh man.
That shit is. Ah, that's the worst. Yeah, these are. That's how it goes. But I gotta update all my shit once I get back. Uh, should be cool. I haven't looked at what oil we're doing. Oh,
How's your schedule looking like for today?
mine. I'm basically I got my haircut at 2, and then I mean that's really it.
Let
I'm
me know if you're trying
basically
to play the
3.
game later.
What happened?
I said, let me know if you're trying to play the game later.
Yeah, I'm down, bro. Where's Martin at, man?
That boy Martin.
Yeah. Oh,
Let me know.
I didn't even see what you said. I was about to share your screen. I didn't see that.
Martin. Love this shit.
Yeah. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Mm. Market doing their thing. That's a buzz.
Yo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was in that area for a short, but yeah, there's no short there.
Big bus. They move like 3 points. But nah, the this is
Yeah, it's one of them days.
just one of them days. Just one of them days. Yeah, bro. That shit is and real spooky. Full port short.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't doing that. No way.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Where that boy Mike at?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, do you have any evals that renewed?
Let me check when that's due. I believe they renew the 19th, but good looking up.
Okay. Yep.
So if that's the case, they should Yeah, they renew the 19th.
Okay, fire. Because when we're in the game, I'll talk to you about something.
Well, okay, bet.
Yeah.
Oh, Nate said that he met that dude on Reddit. That's tight.
Oh, the dude that's in the group now?
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, fire. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's fire. This short actually isn't looking too bad, to be honest. Yeah.
Order filled.
We
Order
gonna see what
filled.
happens. Stop needs to be where stop needs to be.
Oh, you hopping on that short?
Yeah, I'm short. And if I get stopped, it'll be the tiniest little loss. I'm going to move this target right here.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. Shoot.
A little target right here. Are we in? Okay, yeah, we're in. All right. No. No.
Order filled.
There. I want to see a nice drive lower. That's what I want to see. Like I want to see a deep drive. And if we don't get it, that's fine. Yeah. That's a good spot. And then that's it. There's nothing left to do. I meant to send the video. I can't even see it. Hold on.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
And add, oh no, they didn't do it. No. Come on, hit the target. Hit it. Hit that target. Hit that target. Okay. No? That's not what y'all doing? That's not what y'all doing? We're gonna put this right here. Target filled? Come on, baby.
Target filled.
Yes, sir. All right. Okay. Yeah, so I was short. It flipped me long. And then, yeah, we was chilling. Bang, bang. Perfect. Okay. That was kind of violent. But I got this little tool that it gets me in on the market bar entry. So we was chilling. It took out the 22,000. Took a little bit of heat on the trade, but ended up working out exactly how we needed it to. And we was chilling. And where we at? Oh, that one's up. Hold on. Hold on. Where's my pretty girl? Hi, baby. What you doing? Hi, baby. Oh, I know what you need to do. You probably need to take a shit. Hey. So now, I feel like the market's gonna drive lower now. They're gonna do even potentially a deeper drive, but I think the play looks like it was still long. But for me, the only reason why the rationale behind the short was we've already moved the range, we've gotten the previous day high, and 22,200 was a pretty solid level. We kind of flashed right through it, took out that liquidity, and look, now we've kind of driven back down at least 15 points under. And so now I think the drive, we're about to get a deep drive, like really, because they really took out that 22,200 liquidity. So I can potentially see a deep drive here, but if we don't get it, we're already out. So, yeah. So my first entry was, because again, I'm in like 1 or 2 micros on the first, on the initial. So 1 or 2 micros at 22,183. I had my stop at, I was willing to give it till 25, till that quarter. Actually came close to the stop. And then as it drove back down below, the 22,000s, I went short at around 22,200 and then took my exit. And now we're getting that deeper drive that I was expecting, 20 points below. But again, we're playing up near these high ranges. And again, if they took the stop, I would have been cool with it.
Nice.
So let me button off all these accounts. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take her out for a shit, and then, so yeah, look at that. We're right there. And that's a measure move. If we go measure move from 1009, I'm gonna go measure move here to the highs right now.
That was a good trade right there.
Yeah, bro. Appreciate it. Fuck. Hate when this shit happens, man.
The bounce.
No, my shit froze. My chart. God damn it. Yeah, I'm actually gonna yeah, I'm going back down to the old ninja. I don't like this. This is not what I don't like this. No. Nope. Yeah, I'm going back down to the old ninja. It's just annoying. No. I gave it a chance, but nah, we're not doing it.
Yeah, it seems like it keeps on doing that.
Yeah. Like when I do a draw, when I do a drawing, when I'm trying to put a drawing tool, it kind of like it freezes up and it stops. So.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Luckily, I'm not in any trades. So thank God. Yeah, all charts froze. Yeah, we can't do it. No, not doing it. Yeah. I'm gonna go here. Do a screenshot. Always. Yeah, this is done. I'm reverting back. Here. Now my puppy's back sleeping. Here. I'm gonna end task. Yeah. We're not doing that, bro. Hell nah. Especially if I'm leaving and then my shit freezes when I'm not here. Hell nah. Nope.
Yeah, fuck that.
Nope. Doing that. Downgrading my ninja. My administrator. Administrator website. Let me see. Ninja. Account manager. Okay. Yeah. Wait, do I already have? Now I gotta see if I already have that one. What is the Speed Force data applications in the trader? Yeah, 4.1. I already have it, right? No. Ooh, 4. This one, though. Point 154.2. Okay. Yeah, I'm going back to the. Yeah, I gotta go back to the other one because that's some bullshit. Hell nah. Literally, my charts are off right now. Here. Folder. X. Speed Force Applications Ninja. Eight point 1.4.2. Enter. All right. Okay, so I have to uninstall. I have to uninstall the older version. Doing that right now. Fuck that. Bro, that's like the third time that happened. I'm good. Documents. No, I gotta go to add remove. Yeah. Add remove programs. Yeah, hell no. No way. You in a trade now, bro?
Yeah, I enter a trade. I'm gonna sell, see what they're trying to do.
Hey. Nope. That boy Nutty's long.
Oh shit.
Damn. Like,
Oh,
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, but you see what I'm saying? Like, it's like, I don't think it's a good idea to be long up here. You feel me? Like, that's not.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. I hear
Like,
you.
we've already moved the range.
And we're sitting at around that range of the previous day high. Like,
Mm-hmm. Facts. So what I'm doing, I'm downgrading the Ninja on my main computer. On my follower computers, I'm not touching it just because I don't draw on those. Those are just receiving orders, and so those are fine. It's the drawing that's fucking up. Okay. So
what version? Are you going to the previous one?
yeah, I went down to 8.1.4.2.
Because I've been getting this notification. Oh, upgrade your Ninja, and I haven't upgraded it.
Yeah, that's what I'm. It. My login. Yeah, they already know what time it is. Yeah, and I think I did save my workspace last time too, so I should be good. Let's see what's happening. I'm gonna send Ninja an email so they know that. Here. Oh, I think you know what I have to do? I think I gotta go back and do a new ticket. That's fine. Once this thing pops up, then I'll do that. Give me my control center. Give me my control center. Give me my control center. Okay. All the charts are popping up. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that should have been rolled. I don't know why that wasn't rolled. All right. Not chat. Now I want to email. Help. Email support. And no attachments. Use categorize. Platform. Hello. I downloaded the latest MT8. Was it 8.1.5.0? That was the latest one, right? Applications Ninja, yeah. There was several times where I went to draw a Fibonacci, draw something, and the charts goes up. I have since downgraded. Oh, let me see if this one does it too. Yeah, see, this one's fine. Okay. I have since downgraded back to NT8. What is this? 8.1.4.2. And that issue does not happen. I believe this is a bug. All right, send. All right, just sent that to NinjaTrader platform support.
Yeah, let's go.
Yep.
So they give you some feedback?
No, it's just I just sent it. Like I literally I just sent it, so I'm not gonna be getting any responses just yet. Hold on, what? 5.4. Just these ones, and then
Order submitted. Order filled.
all right. All right. These are you back good. Okay. Here, real quick. And then I should have my other charts. Oh, I didn't save that other one I just did. Right? Did it? No. It didn't save it. See? Okay, that's the one change I gotta make. So let me do it now. Here. Oh wait, no, it does have it. Oh, it did. Okay, word. I am smart. That's what I'm talking about, man. I am smart
What happened?
because I made some changes, but I thought I wasn't able to save it because of the freeze up. But I did. I saved my workspace way before that freeze up happened. So now
Nice.
all my charts are good. All right, cool. Yeah, that's what I would say. Always, bro, when you make any simple changes, bro, Save your workspace. Save your workspace. Save your workspace. Save your work. Like, bro, it's like there's no. You don't get penalized for saving your workspace.
Yeah.
You do not. You do not get penalized for saving your workspace. Because you never know what happens. Every time I make a change, or even if I don't make a change, save your workspace. Save your workspace. Save it all day. So, yeah. Okay. Let me exit this out. Yeah. I see ES is driving lower. Yeah. What's 11 o'clock now? Yeah. Thank God I switched that stuff out. That would have been ugly. Right here. Short there. Silence. All right. Yeah. Yep. You see that ES driving lower, right?
Oh yes, it's having a little dump. Let me check.
Yeah. ES is heading down the. Yeah, bro. I'm not. Yeah, bro. I'm letting the group know to revert back to the previous version. You know. I reverted back to the. Yeah, and then what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do right now, bro, is I'm going to upload that file to the Discord so that people have it. The not the latest file, but one of them, just so that people have it. So I'm gonna go here. Yeah, the one I just did. So I'm actually gonna X this one out. I'm gonna delete that latest one, and then I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna go here, applications, Ninja, this one. Oh, I can't even do it. That's fine. That's fine. That's cool. That's cool. Yep. Yeah. X that out. And then we got here. Okay. Let me see. Sir, you still in the trade or not?
Yeah, I'm still in the trade. I think it's about to take me out. Yep. There we go.
Okay. Oh. Whoa. That came with some force.
Yeah.
Yeah. That came with some force. Yeah. Oh. Apparently, Nvidia is ripping. Let's see. Today's market. Nvidia is 140. Okay. Let's go.
Dang.
I gotta right click. I gotta reload. I gotta reload this little ninja script right here so I can get the data because they're not pulling up my info like I like it. Yeah. So the drive, yeah. So they could not find um. Okay, Ninja Trader got back to me. Someone named Oksana got back to me.
Oh, they got back to you?
Yeah.
What they say?
They sent me this long message, and I'm like, I'm not doing all that shit. They want me to rebuild my workspace, and nah, I ain't doing all that. They gotta figure their shit out. No way. Let me see. New. I'm gonna go to trade performance, and the time is not in there, huh? Yeah, there's no time. Damn. That'd be fire. That's fine. That's all good now. Yeah. Yep. So we gotta go. Why is NVIDIA data not populating? Oh, there you go. Columns. Points. We got percent not showing up. All right, there we go. Okay. I see we got a here. Hey, they moving up. They moving up. They moving up. Okay. Ah. Yeah, I'm not sure they're gonna really be trying to push higher like that. I don't know. Like a struggle area. And it's also 11. Yeah, we still got mad time left. You trying to jump on the game? What you thinking? Unless you got shit you doing.
Yo, let's play.
All right, let's get it.
Bet. I'll see you in the game.
Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled.